Introducing the brand new Liquid Hover Image widget from HappyAddons. Designed to transform your regular images with stunning hover effects that captivate your visitors. Best of all, this unique widget is available in the free version of HappyAddons. To get started, ensure you have both free versions of Elementor and HappyAddons installed. Search for the Liquid Hover Image widget in your editor's sidebar, then drag and drop it onto your desired section. Once the widget is added, you'll see two image options: the initial image, which will always be visible on your site, and the hover image, which will appear when visitors hover over it. For best results, we recommend using images with the same dimensions. Want to link your image to another page or website? No problem. Simply use the link insertion field to add any URL you want. Now, let's make it stand out with some amazing hover effects. The Liquid Hover Image widget offers 11 unique animation styles for your hover transition. You can also fine-tune the effect's intensity, duration, and effect's angle using the range sliders. Need to add a title or subtitle to your image? You can easily do that from the content panel. Plus, there are 6 animation styles just for your text. Next, let's style the images. Adjust image alignment, width, opacity, border radius, and even add a box shadow for a polished look. You can also style the title and subtitle by changing typography color and even adding a text shadow to make them pop. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created an engaging and dynamic hover image effect that will capture your audience's attention. Try the Liquid Hover Image widget for free in HappyAddons and take your website's visuals to the next level. Don't wait, download it today and start creating magic.